Today, I'll guide you through the best ways to search for courses, subscriptions, and webinars on Cpethink.com. In this step-by-step guide, you'll discover how to use the homepage search features, how to refine results using filters, how to explore categories and pre-made lists. Start on the homepage. Use the 3 large green buttons for broad searches. Scroll down for direct links to ethics, taxation, and other categories. Enter keywords in the search bar. Pro tip: add a % wildcard to broaden search results. Explore through the separator bar. Access CPE courses, subscriptions, or free CPE. Browse specific sections like Yellow Book, tax, and webinars. Pro tip: use the Courses tab for pre-made lists by topic or credit type. In the course catalog, filter by format, video, text, credits, or new updates. Combine multiple filters for precise results. Pro tip: check boxes for more than one learning option to customize your search. Make the most of site tools. Access state board requirements and FAQs. Use the company menu for additional resources like blogs and About Us info. If you face problems, clear your browser cache. Use an alternative browser. Click the chat icon for immediate support. By following these steps, simplify your search process. Find courses tailored to your needs. Access resources for your CPE journey. Visit Cpethink.com today. Use these tools to find the perfect courses and subscriptions for you. Simplify your learning with Cpethink.com. Start searching smarter today.